In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create standard operating procedures, or SOPs, in ClickUp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This will help you stay updated with all our helpful content. Alright, let's get started. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you sign into your account. If you're already logged in, that's perfect. You're ready to dive right in. Now, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll need to choose the workspace where you want your SOP to live. It's important to pick the space that makes the most sense for your team or project, so everything stays organized right from the start. This will save you time and frustration later on. Next, we're going to head down to the bottom right corner of the screen, where you'll see a small rocket icon. This is your gateway to ClickUp AI, which will help us generate your SOP quickly. So go ahead and click that rocket icon. Once it opens, you'll see a menu pop up. From here, select the option that says Ask AI for Help, and then click on Ask AI to open up the input field. This is where the magic happens. In this prompt box, you'll want to type out what you need the SOP for. Be as specific as possible. The more details you provide, the better the AI will understand your context and create a relevant SOP for you. For example, describe the process clearly, mention who's involved, any tools you use, and what the desired outcome is. Think of it like giving the AI a full brief so it can produce the most accurate and useful draft. Now, after you've entered your request and hit Enter, ClickUp AI will work its magic and generate a complete SOP for you in just a moment. Take a minute to skim through the content. It's always good to keep an eye on the generated text to see if it fits your needs. Once you're satisfied with what you see, scroll down to the bottom of the AI-generated response. Here, you'll find several action options. Look for the plus icon labeled Create Doc. Click that. This simple action will convert the AI output into a ClickUp doc, making it much easier to store, edit, and collaborate on without leaving your workspace. Now that you have your doc created, it's time to refine it. Go ahead and edit the document as needed. You can clarify the steps, specify responsibilities, add timelines, or even include links to any relevant resources your team may use. This is also a great time to adjust the formatting for improved readability. Use clear headings and numbered steps where it makes sense. Break down the content into short paragraphs so that the SOP is easy to follow. As you refine the content, don't forget to update the title to something descriptive and searchable, like SOP for specific process, or just a name that reflects what you've documented. A clear title will help your teammates find it quickly and easily later on. Once you're happy with how the document looks, click on the Share button in the top corner. Here, you have the option to invite collaborators by entering their email addresses or sharing it directly within your space for broader visibility. Remember to set access appropriately, ensuring that the right people can either view or edit the SOP. And here's an important tip. Be sure to review the content one last time before sharing it. Remove any information that doesn't need to be public. We don't want to share sensitive details that may lead to confusion or issues down the line. And that's how you can easily create SOPs in ClickUp. Sign in, open ClickUp AI, generate your SOP with a clear prompt, convert it into a doc, refine it to your liking, and then share it with your team. I encourage you to try this on your next process. Keeping your documentation consistent, clear, and accessible is a game changer for any team. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy documenting!